How to weed HTVRONT heat transfer vinyl easier. Weeding is easy when cut correctly. Begin by testing with a small piece of heat transfer vinyl and choose a design pattern you like. Follow the instructions for operation. Use a cutting machine to cut your pattern. Before cutting, ensure to check the cutter blade. Replace it if damaged. Follow the provided instructions and cutting parameters. If the material is not completely cut through, adjust settings accordingly. For silhouette, increase force by +5 or passes by +2, and blade by +2. For cricket, switch from iron-on to light cardstock or cardstock settings. Avoid tearing vigorously to prevent damage to the pattern. Weeding becomes much easier with the use of a weeding tool.